We just stopped at Baltic Petroleum and my lunch for today is this bratwurst, a hot dog in a roll with ketchup and mayonnaise. Yum yum. We've just arrived at the Hillofcrosses, a couple of hours north of Kaunas, on our way to our next country and destination, and we're just trying to pick a cross.
I think I like that one.
Have you found a cross? There's so many crosses.
I think this one. Write our initials and name on it, and we'll go and find a place for it to go.
And a storm has just blown through and the sun has come out.
It's not so easy. Tide. Not. I can't say. Gonna get the date on it.
March 2020 in the freezing cold. I think it's perfect.
Let's go find a spot for it. So we made it here to the Hillofcrosses.
Hillofcrosses!
It's really cold. We've driven through some storms to get here, but it's sunny right now. So while it's sunny, we are taking our chances. We got our little cross.
Check this out.
We've got tideknottravellers on it and March 2020, and we are walking towards this huge hill full of crosses where people come here and they put a cross. It's the site with the most crosses on in the world. It has 105,000 crosses on it. There's like celebrities who've been here. There's crosses of all different shapes and sizes.
Just seen the hairy bikers have been here.
I'm intrigued to see what this is going to be like and somehow find a spot for our little cross.
Amazing. Gonna add it to the other 105,000.
We'll do you a quick time lapse so you can see where we put it. So we're here, Hillofcrosses are right behind me. We've got our little cross here, it says tideknottravellers, Craig and Kirsty, and March 2020. I'm going to go and find a special little spot to put this now. Come see where I put it. So we decided just down here is the perfect spot for our little cross to go.
We're going to put it in together.
Just neatly tuck it in here, down.
And there it is. Our little addition.
You can see our writing still if I do that.
Our little addition to the Hillofcrosses.
Done!
Look how many crosses there are.
Wow.
It's crazy. So if you come to the Hill of Crosses and if you want to find our cross, I'm going to show you where it is now. So if you arrive at the front of it and you see that main cross there with the stairs, just go to this next entrance off to the left. And then you come to this statue here, turn right, past this cross that sticks out, and then down on the left is our tiny little cross. Easy as that.
So we've just got back from visiting the Hill of Crosses here in Lithuania. It's a beautiful sunny day now. It wasn't earlier, so we were pretty lucky.
It's still bitterly cold.
Yeah, this is the coldest we've been actually. So just to give you a little bit of background about the Hill of Crosses, back when Lithuania was under Soviet rule, they weren't free to have choice of their religion. And then when they gained their independence, the locals started putting these crosses onto a hill. And the authorities came along and collected these crosses, took them down again, and the locals kept just coming back and putting these crosses up in sort of a defiant way, as to say, no, this is our religion now. And over time, more and more crosses came. Now tourists obviously have started to put the crosses there, and it's become like this incredible monument within itself of freedom and religion and the ability to choose religion, which I think is pretty cool. And as a result, they've now got something to be proud of, and it's now a tourist attraction. So.
And when we were there today, we even saw people having a wedding there as well.
Yeah.
So they got
so it's
married.
obviously a very religious site. So we're now just driving along from Lithuania. That was our last night in Lithuania, and we're now going to country number 3. So country number 3, as you can probably guess, is going to be Latvia. Just as a side note, whilst we were here at the Hill of Crosses, we did hear from our booking company that due to coronavirus, a couple of our accommodations have been cancelled on the fact that we're not going to be able to get through airports and things. We thought this would happen eventually, so we've kind of just been mentally preparing for it and just cracking on and doing what we can do whilst we can. And as soon as we hear that we can't travel to somewhere, obviously we will deal with that accordingly, cancel things and carry on, and potentially just go into quarantine when we have to. Who knows? We have no idea. I think the rest of the world has no idea. Obviously it's completely new territory for everybody. Who could have foreseen all this happening? But we're here, we're healthy, we're going to try and stay that way, and we want everyone else to stay that way. So we will do as required to keep ourselves and everybody else safe.
So we left Kaunas this morning and drove 2 hours to the Hill of Crosses. Now we are just driving through northern Lithuania. There's been some beautiful countryside. It's very flat. We've got another 2 hours to go until country number 3.
Yeah, we've driven through some towns with some really nice houses, some not so nice and looking a bit sort of tired. They just look completely uninhabited. There's like no cars, no people, and you're just kind of looking thinking, who lives in these houses? How
what
are
do
they?
People do here?
Yeah, driving around these kind of ghost towns.
About to cross the border into country number 3, Latvia. Yay, country number 3.
I feel like that's going to be one of our easier borders.
We are driving on the snow. It is -2. I
we ventured out for our first evening here in Latvia to find some dinner. This place looks pretty good.
Let's check out what Riga has to offer.
Cheers! More amazing food. And wine. If you like what you've seen, please hit the like button and leave any comments. If you want to see more, don't forget to subscribe. We really appreciate it, and we'll see you on the next video.